All right, y'all. You tired of your toolbox looking like this when you're trying to find a wrench you got to dig through? Stay tuned. I got a solution for you. All right, guys, and I'm back with that organizer I told you about, and this is a great organizer to actually get your wrenches organized. As you can see, you got the one with the 3-stack, and you got the one with the individual. And as you look in the box, you see those little yellow tags. Those are actually labels, and it's kind of hard to see, but I'll give you a close-up and you can see it has the actual numbers on it so you can actually label exactly what that tool is. Now, I'll be back in a minute and I'll show you what it looks like in an organized toolbox. All right, y'all, we back. As you can see, I got the drawer organized now. And the side that you're looking at, this is my metric side. So you got my regular metric wrenches, as you can see. Put it back in the place where it's supposed to be. And right here, you got the ratcheting wrench. And as you can see, ratcheting on the end. And then I have my miscellaneous wrenches, which would be this one right here because that one is actually double-sided. And you see I got my crow's foot and I got my hard to reach area wrenches. And I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit more. Look right there. Oh yeah, you can see them numbers. There you go. You can actually organize this and number it. That way you know exactly what's supposed to be where, and you can see if something missing. Like right now, we do see I got a few things missing. Don't tell my wife, but by the time this week is over with, I'll have those tools replaced. But I just wanted to make sure that you saw that right there. And now we're gonna ease on over and let you see what the standard side look like. Look at that right there. Same setup. Got your regular wrenches right here. That's a 3/8. Zoom in right quick so you can see. Got your numbers right there. Matter of fact, let me get closer up on it. Hopefully you can see it. Got everything organized the way we want it to be organized. Even had room to put some other ones in there. I got my jumbo combo at the back that I barely use, but as you can see, they're in their own rack too. And over here, I got some missing as well. So if this was beneficial for you to help you get your toolbox organized, like, subscribe, and share. And I will leave the link to show you where I got these tool organizers at. Thank you for joining the country community. Holla at y'all later.